what's ringing, guys? We're now up on GoPro and first person, and we're about to ride up to my appointment now. So I hope everyone's ready for this. I wanted to get a video like this with my old Trike, but unfortunately that broke, as everyone knows. So now we've got a new one. I'll try make POV videos more often of riding around Barrow. This one might not last till we get to my appointment at Risedale Surgery, since unfortunately it's a bit low on the battery and Dad the Ringer never bothered of checking when he went to do the SD card for me. Yeah, everyone who's watching, make sure to always ride carefully. I usually wear a helmet, but unfortunately it doesn't fit on me with my GoPro on as well, so only time I won't have a helmet on is if I'm doing GoPro POVs like this here. And my Trike is a 7-speed one, so I can go pretty fast on it if I wanted to, but I choose to ride safely. Only time I'd go super fast is if I get the job with Uber Eats that I'd then announcing Trevor on, and I'm in a rush for something, like an appointment, but my appointment's not till 9, so don't really have much stuff, and even the lights on Barrow Town Hall clock are still illuminated in the distance. Yeah. And yeah, everyone who's watching, make sure you be careful with tight turns like that. Yeah, a couple of days ago I had some person at Walney have a go at me for no reason. They say we were right at a pelican crossing now and we're just coming up the ramp. They had it parked right now. He had to take a tight turn and one of my brake handles accidentally hit the motorbike, and then the owner came out yelling at me. So some people just don't know about parking vehicles. Now, when you go to a cycle lane, go onto that, so it makes it safer for everyone. I sometimes apply the brake when going really fast downhill, depending on if there's a lot of teetle here. But there doesn't seem to be much teetle, and I'd be going this way whenever I have to go to town. Now we're just going to quickly press the pelican crossing button. People aren't going, so we'll cross. Always passing bus stops on these makes me want to do something off in between us. People don't know what I'm on about. It's not really advertiser friendly, so I'll have to make sure I be careful with what I say in it, but you go ahead and shout bus W's at people. Anyone who's seen in-betweeners or know about it will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, which way should we go? I'm thinking, since I've come out a bit early, we can go the longer route. Let's see anyone come in. No one coming and no one indicating, so that's a green for us. What does everyone think of our first trike ride POV? Would everyone like me to do more POVs of riding my three-wheeler like this? If yous do, let me know in the comments and I'll do more like this. Make sure you go a bit slowly and check both ways before crossing ramps or pelican crossings, because you can get some idiot drivers in Barrow sometimes, or actually all the time really. Like here we're just ain't passing. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, the House of Lords. Unfortunately, back in 2016 or 17, some idiot blew it up. So unfortunately, we couldn't do anything with it that day. I mean, someone's tried to fix it, and no one has. One person attempted it, but he didn't have permission to. And we'll just stop for a quick sec so I can get all this plant off me. Here we are, we've got Barrow Town O'Clock in front of us now. Which means we're getting quite close to our appointment. Yeah. We're gonna go slow since they randomly took all the stones out of the road for some reason. I think they're resurfacing it because it looked way worse than this the other day. They might have done all the work yesterday while I was up in Morecambe with Cookie and Gilly. I don't have to worry since it's saying this road is closed, so we don't have to worry about pelican crossings here. Mama's Grill here, we're just passing. A beautiful restaurant. I love the house special pizzas from here. So if anyone's ever on holiday in Barrow and you pass Mama's Grill and want to try one of their pizzas, I recommend the house special. Oh. Looks like we have to go a little bit further now, but looks like we can still cross, luckily. But everyone, since we're going the complete opposite way now, just go this way just to do a quick turn around. I probably wouldn't have had to do this if I was on a two-wheeler. But unfortunately, guys, I can never get the hang of two-wheelers. No matter how many times in life I tried. And here we are at Barrow Town O'Clock now. I'm gonna take my jacket off when we do the next part of the video, if I have enough battery in it to last then. It looks like it was illuminated orange last night, or red from what it looks like from down here. Yeah, what does everyone think? Alright everyone, we're now switching to gear 3, so it makes it easier for us to pedal. Sometimes when you have slopes going up, it's easier to pedal in gear 1, 2 or 3. When they're all straight, it's easier on any gear, but I choose to do gear 4. I honestly thought this was going to be a single speed trike when Auntie Rose first found it on Free Cycle, but it wasn't. And here we are, Risedale Surgery. We've approached our destination. So I'm going to end the video clip now, so if you enjoyed our POV of riding from my house to my GP, then please ring subscribe for future content, and until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content.